Dito ko ngayon sa Disney on Ice, that's Dance Press Con. Ayan. And may pabigay si Disney, guys. Ito. Thank you so much, Disney. Ayan. Tignan natin kung ano yung laman. Okay, so tignan natin kung ano yung laman ng PR kit ni Disney on Ice. Okay, meron silang poster. Okay, may autograph ni Mickey, Minnie Mouse, malaking binigay na bag. Disney, wala bang ano dito? Like, ticket for Disney on Ice. Ticket for Disneyland, wala ba?
Press conference!
Everybody's talking about it.
I'm so excited to ask Mr. Garrett.
Hi, my name is Mbets and I am a Disney fan. How many shows per day, and are there any merch that kids at heart like me can bring after the show?
We do up to 3 shows a day.
Enjoying the merchandise, the food inside, popcorn, cotton candies, everything. As you go out, I'm pretty sure your smiles will be worth all of the trouble.
So much. Let's give another round of applause to Mr. Arnell, Mr. Matt, Sophie, and Allie. Ladies and raise your hand if you know the correct
Name
title
that song,
of the
let's
song
go.
here.
Para makakuha tayo ng merch. Circle of Life.
Circle of Life is correct.
Taking a ride on a planet and blinking step into the sun. There's more to see that can never be seen, more to do that can never be done. It's the circle of life, your faith and love.
Thank you, Viv.
Your prize because you have to sing along Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
Oh my God!
Look at you, Mickey Mouse. Look at all of these people here to see you. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, this is for free. Just line up here at the back. Again, our audiences on the top floor. Mouse and Minnie Mouse here on stage. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys.
Guys, tapos na yung event and I can't wait na umattend ng Disney on Ice ngayong November and December, guys. Bumili na